Before we begin the data science journey, you first need the dataset. And to get the dataset, you need to know where it is. This is what we'll be covering in the first module. How do you discover data? There are three things that you will learn in this module. The first is, what are the different sources of datasets? Where can you find them? The second is, what are the different kinds of datasets? Structured, unstructured, and semi-structured. Third, in each dataset, what are the different kinds of values that you will find? This will give you a sense of locating the kind of dataset that you want, either on the internet or within your organization or even within your phones.